This is a games and tournaments question from Tic-Tac-Toe. I assume all of you know what Tic-Tac-Toe is. Very simple. You need to get either the crosses or the O's in a straight line. It can be diagonal, it can be horizontal, or it can be vertical. And there are two rules which we are going to follow in this. First rule, a player will always place his mark in a line if the line already contains two of his marks. That means what? That means if O has two marks already in a line, then the third one he will put it in the same line and try to win the game. Or if X has two of his marks in a line, then he'll try to put the third mark in the same line and try to win the game. So let's have a look at this board and try to understand once again how it is working on this board. So here, following the first rule, if it is now O's turn, O already has two in a line here, so he may mark here. O already has two in a line here, so he may mark here as well. If it is X's turn, then X has already two in a line here, so that X has to now mark here. Rule 2, a player will always place his mark in a line if the line already contains two of his opponent's mark. So if it is O's turn and already X has got two marks here, then O will definitely put his mark here only, because he'll try and stop X from winning is what it means. Or in this game, what we are looking forward to is that anybody playing this game is always looking forward to win the game, and they're playing intelligently and they know how to win. That's why these two rules. And it says rule 1 will always have priority over rule 2. Why? Because your task is to win the game. Now if you look at this board, you'll see there's an X here and an X here. So if it is X turn, he will mark an X here and win the game. If it is O's turn, then O has got two in a row here. He can put an O here and win the game. Or he could have also put a O here and won the game as well. So I know that whoever is going to play next is definitely going to win. So I just need to find out who will play next. And to find out who will play next, we will take scenarios and work on it. Although this is an easy question, but to make you understand, I'll take the scenarios and show you how it really works. So when I'm looking at the scenarios, there'll be 6 scenarios for the first and the second move, because whoever played first will get the chance now to play, because already 3 O's are there and 3 X's are there. That means the next turn whoever is going to make is going to win, and the next turn will be made by the person who started this game. So if O started the game, O is going to win. If X started the game, X is going to win. So let us start with O first. I'm going to mark O's first move in orange color and the second move in blue color, like how I have mentioned here. And let's start this and start putting and see what will happen in each of the scenario. So first case is O could have started off from here. Two possibilities. One, in a second move, O will play here. If O plays here, then definitely after O's second move, there had to be an X here. But there is no X in this. So this was not the game that O played. So this is not possible. Let's look at the second scenario. In the second scenario, O played first this and the second move of O was this. That means in X's second move, X should have put a mark here, but there is no mark here. So that means what? That means this is also not the move that O played. Let's move on and look at the next scenario. Next scenario is where O would have marked and started off in the middle. There are two such possibilities. One is first move in the middle and second at this corner, in which case you should have found an X here, but there is no X in this place. So this is also not the case. In the second scenario, O made his first move here and the second move here, in which case there has to be a X here. Now see, again, this case is also not possible. Why? Because X would have come here in the second or the first move of X. But what will happen is in the third move of O will mark it here. That means third move of X definitely should have been here. So come what may, X should have had a mark here. But then there is no mark for X here. So that means this case is also not the case that we are looking for. Next one, O would have put his first mark at the bottom here. In which case, two scenarios. One, O did his second mark here, in which case there should have been an X here, but there is no X here as well. And the second case will be same as this case, and which we have already discussed is not possible. Because again, in that case also X should have been here, because if I put an X here, O will put here, and then there X is bound to put it here. So all these 6 scenarios we are saying is not possible, or in other words, O could not have made his first move, which means X would have made his first move, and which also means that X made the next move in this scenario, and X will mark it here, and X will win the game.